3D printing, every color change creates what we in the community call a poop.
Poop, 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 poop.
Poop.
352 layers with 7 colors each creates 2,500 poops. There has to be a better way. Enter the Bamboo Lab H-IIc. This is the perfect grade printer. The one I've been waiting for my entire life. It takes the dual nozzle concept and pushes it so much further. Instead of purging, it ejects the entire hot end and subs in a new one from a magazine of 6. With 1 nozzle per color, you can print 7 colors per layer with almost zero waste.